ECG has been making equipment for masonry, fencing, other specialized industries since we were founded in 1998. Today we are also a state-of-the-art custom fabrication design shop that can handle virtually any fabrication process. My name is Kenny Jackson and I've been with ECG Manufacturing for 17 years and I'm the manufacturing sales manager. ECG is a built-to-print contract manufacturing shop that can handle virtually any metal fabrication project. Our 120,000 square feet of fabrication space is equipped with a 15-ton of lifting capacity and 13-foot under the hook. Our job services can handle most metal processes in a variety of materials including carbon, hastelloys, aluminum, plastics, steel, and other specialty metals by cutting, rolling, forming, and creating any type of sheet metal configuration our clients require. In order to have state-of-the-art CNC laser cutting capabilities, we needed machines that can do the job. The Mazak 10K fiber laser is one of the fastest cutting machines on the market. The Mazak laser utilizes a new drive system which provides higher productivity through high-speed accuracy. This helps us cut costs and have a much quicker turnaround time for our clients. Our new Cincinnati 350-ton brake press has a 16-foot bed which most companies do not have. We wanted to expand our network with our customers to be able to bring more work into our shop. With AWS certified welders skilled in both MIG and TIG welding, we pride ourselves on attention to detail. For projects requiring high production volume, we use our Fanuc 120 IC robotic welding cell. We have our own in-house powder coat booth and downdraft wet paint booth to satisfy your custom coating needs. With the use of high-quality spray guns and system filters, we can deliver in whatever spec our customers need. Finally, with multiple CNC milling and turning centers, ECG is capable of providing a solution for anything from rapid prototyping to production volumes in nearly any material. If you don't have what you need in standard size or specification, our custom shop can create it for you. In addition, we will retool any equipment, ours or our competitors. We also design custom items to fit any space. Contact us today to learn about how ECG can help you with your next project.